Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check all of your shared media into any of your chats in Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to perform this action, you just simply have to open your Google Chat application, and after that just simply open the chat of the person in which you want to check all of the shared medias. For example, I'm selecting this profile, and after that simply tap to the profile picture of the person that you are searching, and after that now you will get to see this shared media option. Tap into that option and then you can see all of your shared media into this page. This way you can check your shared media with your friend. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.